Well, today is the official bigger move. Today's like my official day moving. My dad just dropped me off. I gotta go in here real quick and ask these people a few questions about the U-Haul stuff, and I don't think I'm gonna need like a giant one. I just have like a few boxes really of things, and then I gotta go get the dogs and then head out. And yeah, I just gotta figure out like how long I'm gonna be at my dad's, and then when I'm gonna get my apartment and do my own thing and all that. But I've never rented one of these. I've never had to like rent one of these. Normally Chino was the one that would rent one of these, so then that way we could like move out and all that. But for the most part, and even then, like I have a pretty big family. Normally they have cars, but everyone's busy today. So, and then also I have to rush to do this because I have a baby shower. That's why I look this good today. But let's go in here and talk to this guy and see what they say. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. I'm here to pick up a van. I just need to move like 3 boxes.
Sounds good. Do you know what size vehicle that you need?
I mean, the boxes are probably like the size of like this, but like wider boxes, but pretty, not too big.
For sure. I could hook you with one of our pickup trucks or even a cargo van if you need to.
Yeah. Whatever you suggest, I don't mind.
Sure. I have a cargo van here. I can go ahead and get that started for you.
Okay, cool.
Let me take a look here.
Yeah, it's a big move day.
No, for sure.
I'm excited.
I'll try to make it as stress-free and as easy as possible. Sorry, I gotta ask. Are you single?
Yeah, I am actually now.
Yeah?
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Are those the papers for the car?
Yeah.
I'll just take that.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it.
Of course.
Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Oh my god, I was not expecting that. Oh my god, I have to practice on how I'm gonna start responding with that. Like, I didn't even think about other people asking me that now. Like, that's so weird to say yes, that oh my god, I don't even like saying that. It sounds so odd to me. Stressful. That's stressful. Anyways, let's get this van. I think they're bringing it up right now for me. Oh man. Well, I gotta get used to that, I guess. Low-key made my stomach hurt a little bit. Okay. Okay, I think they left this here for me. This is the van, I think. I'm gonna go head over there now. I never drove a U-Haul before, like a big ass U-Haul. I never driven one of these before. This thing's huge. I'm hoping that this is just a very smooth move. Like, I don't want no problems. I don't want to be in any arguments. I don't want to yell. I've done enough of that throughout the years. I did enough fighting over the years. I did all that. Just want to get there and get out, and that's all I want to do. Just go do this. I don't want to get talked to, because I know if he talks to me, then he could potentially change my mind, you know? And I don't want my mind to be changed. I'm set with this. I'm not turning back on my decision with this, because I need him to get his things together. Honestly, like, that's literally it. Like, once he gets his things together and we can really sit down and, like, he knows, like, okay, it's been some time now and I really haven't smoked, I really haven't did anything, then cool. That's all I want. Oh my god, I don't know why every time I come in here. Do you guys ever feel like whenever you go somewhere that makes you feel just like either the slightest bit uncomfortable, you feel sick? I think it's just nerves. Now I have to pee so bad. Have you ever, I swear it's not like I have to use the restroom all the time or anything like that, but have you ever played like hide and seek or something, and then right when you hear someone say, hey, I'm coming to get you, out of nowhere you just feel like so nervous that you have to like use the restroom? Or is that literally just me? Do I just be feeling kind of pissed and like boo-boo randomly when I'm nervous? But Yeah, I'm pretty nervous. I don't know if no one's home or not. I'm praying to God that they're not because I haven't spoken to them in a while. Just gotta get things, get out, get my dogs. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Jesus, okay. Luckily there's no one there. Sorry, I couldn't record me just putting things away. I didn't think that was... I'm not about to pull out my camera. I'm just trying to pack things up before to avoid running into anybody. But I've got all of my last few things here. This is my like 3rd trip up here. My last trip is just gonna be grabbing the dogs and heading back to my dad's. Oh my god, oh my god. This has been a process. Oh my god, dude. It's hot. I hate moving. Moving is like the most annoying thing that I ever had to do. P1, let's do this. It's hot. Anyways, I'm gonna get this stuff loaded. So I can't have any blood my hands, so I have no one to film me, so yeah, this is my process. Ugh. Okay, let's do this. I don't have a lot of stuff left, just a bit of things. We're gonna bring up. I'm not trying to get my camera messed up. There's too much traffic here. Okay, I'm leaving this wagon. I gotta take this. Whoa. Sheesh, man. It took a lot of time. I'm literally so freaking tired and exhausted already. I didn't want to ask anyone for help because, like, I don't really want to get anyone involved in my stuff. Just because, like, I'm not trying to mess up anyone's, like, relationships and nothing like that, or friendships, and not that anyone wouldn't want to help me or, like, I know that they all would help me. I know the guys would help me, I know the girls would help me, but I'm just not the kind anymore to want to bring anybody into my problems. So I'm just gonna handle this on my own and just do this. I'm freaking tired, man. I'm so exhausted. Alright, let me do this so I can just get the heck out of here already. I'm tired of being here. Oh, I gotta pee. I mean, I still technically already paid rent, so I could pee in my restroom if I want to. These dogs, man. Are you guys ready? Ready to go? What are you doing? That was so stressful. I didn't think he was gonna be up there. I gotta get out of here now. You guys sit down, alright? Be good. This will be the last time that I'll be here. Maybe it's gonna be okay, okay? I know, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I know, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Now I'm ready to go. I just needed like a second, really. I've been so busy today. The girls are planning a girls' night tomorrow night, so that's gonna be fun. I'm excited to just get out the house and just hold on. And get out the house. I'm excited for that. They literally always get me on my head. They're literally the best. They just keep me out the house, keep me busy. They're always calling me, always texting me, literally. So grateful. But tomorrow also, of course I'm not going to be trying to stay at my dad's like the entire time, like, you know. I'll stay here for like a little bit or whatever, but I'm going to start looking for places. I've never had a place to myself, literally ever. I almost had a place to myself, which was cool, but it wasn't to like myself. But this would be really exciting. It's literally like a whole just new chapter, really, and I'm literally okay with that. I think you just have to like get yourself in that positive attitude and just keep pushing forward and, you know, just not even be interrupted with like the life that you want to live. As long as you're a good, positive person, you give God your thanks, and you just do right and be a good person, and that's really all that matters in life, is making sure that you stand on your morals and that you give good energy. Well, for me anyway. You can live your life how you want to live it, but I think when you live it positively, sorry if I said that weird, if you live it positively, then only positive can come back to you. You know, there's no point in being a negative person, so none of that. Ooh. I'm gonna go to sleep though. I'm freaking exhausted. It's been a long day. But I'll see you guys in the morning.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, 거리고 blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day. 꿈에도 I wasn't done. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.